Hello there, mathletes. Welcome back to Math Jamboree, where we demystify math problems for you step by steps. So, in this video, we have another AP Precalculus type of a question from the topic of exponential functions. Let's solve it together. The exponential function f is defined by f of x equals a times b to the power of x, where a and b are positive constants. The table gives values of f of x at selected values of x. Which of the following statements is true? X are 0 through 4 and f of x are given 1 through 81. So we will just go ahead and use the given function and we will use these data. So we will just substitute 0 for x. A times b to the power of 0 is equals to 1. So a times 1 is 1. Because of that, a is 1. To find the value of b, I'm going to use the second data. Over here, 1 and 3. Or you can use the third one, it's okay. You will get the same results. f1 is equals to 1 times b to the power of 1 is equal to 3. So b is equals 3. So we found the values of a and b. By looking at the choices, we can go ahead and eliminate the choice A and D. I mean not D, C first. And because B is greater than 1. So, and as x values are increasing, the y values are also increasing. Due to that, this is a growth function. So the correct answer is choice B for this question. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you have questions or comments, you can always leave it below there. Thank you and see you next time. Bye-bye.